Today we are making really easy microwavable eggs. You don't need anything special for it, just a microwave, no stove. This recipe was inspired by the Simple Cooking channel. I will leave a link to the original video down below, and let's get to cooking these eggs. You will need a bowl filled with warm water, some salt, a bit of vinegar, and your eggs. So first you're gonna take the bowl of warm water and add in some salt and a little bit of the vinegar. And into this you're going to crack your eggs, 1 or 2. So now you're going to microwave this for about 2 minutes. And when it's out of the microwave, it should look something like this. You can check if it's nice, and if it's not cooked enough, you can leave it there for a little longer. And then you just wash this egg with a bit of cold water and you're done. You can add it to a salad, and it's a really good poached egg. It tastes absolutely great and it takes no time to make, no pots, no stove. And I think it's really amazing. You should definitely try it if you're a student, especially because all students love really easy meals that are good and tasty at the same time. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to watch another one, you can click on the screen right now.